And if you want to learn more about this little helicopter, just come see us at our tent. BK Hobbies, SMB USA, Theta, and Hobby Wing tent right there on the west side of the field. We have a few of them there. You can guys check them out. You can pre-order them from us or any participating dealer. And again, you can be entered to win one. All you got to do is register. SABUSA.com/exactly. Anything that you do wrong with the setup can translate into the helicopter trying to pitch up or doing something you don't want it to do. And as you may understand, when you go that fast, everything becomes really, it gets really touchy. So you got to be really smooth with your elevator inputs, your cyclic inputs. And then your setup is important too. You have to set it up to where you're getting the right amount of current. You're not over gearing it, but you're also not under gearing it. So you need the right motor KV and setup and gear ratio so that you get the most amount of torque without sacrificing. Give it up for Lamar. Give some noise. Both are raw 700 nitros. Both have either YS engine. One is a YS96, one is a... Oh!